At Gear Orbit, we love bringing people with the latest, greatest gear and reviewing them just like this one. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to see more content like this and never miss an update.
Number 1 on list. Number 2.
Introducing our Urban Carry System. Bags specifically designed to combat living and working in the city. The Urban Responder rucksack and tactical tote are built like tanks, made from military-grade tarpaulin that can truly withstand the everyday battle of commuting to work. On the bottom of each, we have an additional layer of rugged, protective super fabric. These bags are literally as tough as it gets. For those who want a customized look, both feature embroidered Velcro to place your favorite morale patch and also uniquely feature laser-cut Molle to attach additional items like pens, sunglasses, or your favorite EDC items. Let's have a closer look at each bag. The Urban Responder Rucksack, or UR2, is inspired by tried-and-true tactical design. At the top you can see the iconic GI duffel-style closure, and hidden underneath is a waterproof dry bag roll-top collar, offering a second line of water defense. That, in addition to the YKK watertight zippers and waterproof nylon lining, and you can be rest assured that your contents will remain safe and dry. The strategic pockets throughout are built to easily transition from the office to the gym to your weekend adventure with ease. There is an outside stash pocket, a large concealed water bottle pocket, and for your computer there is a quick access lockable laptop compartment which can hold up to a 15-inch device. It's completely separate from the rest of the bag, so if something were to spill inside, no need to worry. What makes the UR2 truly unique is our modular Velcro organizer board. Attach anything Velcro back to it, or use our unique Commuter organizer pockets. The board can be positioned against the back of the pack to maximize internal space or brought forward to divide the main compartment into two smaller areas to separate your loadout. We are just as excited to bring you the Tactical Tote. Built with the same rugged and durable fabrics as the UR2, this is a beast of a bag. We believe open-top, tote-style bags are the next evolution of laptop carry. Inside you'll find a waterproof padded zipper sleeve that can fit up to a 15-inch MacBook, and also a zippered tablet or stash compartment. It carries small and easy, but its large main compartment will hold more than a typical work briefcase.
Number 3.
Hi, we're the Wilsons and the creators of the Halton Commuter bag.
With a fast-paced life, there's nothing more important than staying organized.
So why isn't there a bag that helps you do that?
Most bags eat keys, phones, notepads, computers, clothes, and more. And most are constructed similar to a grocery bag. Throw it all in and good luck finding it later. We looked and found a lot of average bags, so we made it ourselves.
The biggest improvement we've made is the full-length zipper that allows the bag to be opened and lay out completely flat to reveal all its contents. Imagine being able to go out for the day or head out on a weekend getaway, have everything you need, and be able to access it within seconds, while keeping it out of sight while you're traveling.
Go anywhere and do anything with this bag. With an ultra-compartmentalized pocket orientation, you truly get a bag where everything has its place. With a full-size laptop case, 2 large item pockets, 6 mesh pockets for easy access, 3 additional pockets for smaller items, an RFID-safe valuables pocket, an extendable shoe pocket, and an external backpack pocket, there is plenty of space in the bag. Not to mention what we like to call shelf pockets for when the bag is hanging.
For those times when you're in a rush, don't worry about using compartments and just throw your items into the bag like a normal backpack. And with above industry standard zippers, feel free to pack your heaviest items because this bag can take it. The bag comes with an external pocket like any other bag, as well as padded laptop case that will fit the largest laptop you can find. With hip and chest straps and a super supported back pad, you can really pack whatever you need. And at 25 liters, there's no need to pack light.
Using the full-length zipper, easily access your items from the top like a normal bag, from the side of the bag when you're sitting down.
Use the custom engineered hanging straps to hang the bag for easy access to all your packed items while changing, working, or anything else. Staying organized is a vital part of success in anything. The Commuter bag is like a tool belt for your life.
The Commuter is made of a durable, waterproof canvas material, so no worrying about traveling in inclement weather. Keep your shoes apart from everything else with the expandable shoe pocket. Both the valuables and shoe pocket can be accessed from inside and outside the bag, and side handles for easy carrying and more.
After you fill up most bags, they flop around and weigh you down. With these cinch straps on the sides, you can tighten your bag down as tight as you need so it feels like an extension of yourself.
If you select a laundry bag as an add-on item, use it to keep dirty clothes or neatly pack more formal clothes to avoid creasing.
Using the backpack's detachable hip straps, attach them to your choice of hip pack or cube so you can easily take the bare essentials when you head out, but don't have to sacrifice functionality or comfort.
Number 4.
This is the world's most secure backpack. It's built to protect your valuables when you're carrying them and when you can't have an eye on them. Introducing Tote Cinch Pack, the world's most secure backpack. It's a practical, straight up and to the point daily carry backpack that's built with all the worry-free security features you've come to expect from Tote. No electronic gadgets to fail or gimmicky doodads. Well, okay, maybe one. Just a tough-wearing, good-looking, simple, secure bag that works and will continue to work for years. Elegant in its simplicity and unapologetic in its brutal effectiveness. It's a cinch to carry and super secure because the bag's own weight keeps it tightly closed. No top zipper for thieves to exploit. The whole bag is covered with a proprietary slash-resistant fabric to prevent thieves from slashing through. With its built-in steel-reinforced lock strap, it can be clipped for quick security or locked when you need to leave it unattended. Cinch it, lock it, leave it. Enjoy whatever you're doing, and come back for it when you're done. The cinch pack has a deep main compartment with 22 liters carrying capacity, a padded laptop sleeve, and a fleece-lined, water-resistant RFID blocking interior pocket. The exterior features one hidden, easy-access zipper pocket, so you can get to important items such as passports or credit cards quickly, and a couple of multi-purpose water bottle pockets. If you're like most people, the stuff you carry in a backpack is too valuable to carry in a typical backpack. Whether you're commuting to work or school, traveling to an unknown place, or just lost in the crowd, the cinch pack has your back.
At Gear Orbit, we love talking about the latest and greatest gears to the world. Subscribe for more on the latest gears. Thanks for watching.